Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to download Twitter videos to Gallery. Make sure to subscribe to Fixit for more tutorials. First of all, open the Twitter app on your device. Then you just need to find the video which you want to save to your gallery. I have these random videos that Twitter is suggesting to me, and I'll open this one. The next step that you have to do if you want to download the video is to click on the share button right here. Don't click on the three dots. You will click on the little arrow up button, and after that you want to copy the link of this video, and when you get the video link, simply exit the Twitter mobile app. Then open any web browser on your device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll use Safari here, and in the search bar, simply type Twitter Video Downloader.